All right, you guys, this video comes from Reggie Photo. He's in the UK. The original link will be in the description if you don't want to hear my yapping. He flies drones. Sometimes he doesn't fly drones. Sometimes he pretends to fly drones. This is a video that is absolutely comedy gold, where he pretends to fly a drone. He has an Xbox controller in his hand and they think it's a drone. I've stabilized the video. I bumped up the color in post.
Yeah, we're still in Whitehaven, guys. We're out with the Xbox controller here, guys.
I want to thank the guy who left the comment mentioning Reggie Photo. This is absolute gold. This guy's my new comedy spirit animal. All right, so there's signs there about no photography.
Hello.
No cameras or video recording equipment. Okay, I don't know all of the laws in the UK. I do know that there's several different UK guys filming with drones, and I'm pretty sure that it's the same. The CAA is the equivalent of the FAA. Only the CAA or the FAA has jurisdiction over airspace. Nobody has jurisdiction over airspace. If there's something in the air, it is not your jurisdiction. So I know that there are some laws about being over private property, but you can be over a public street and look down into a parking lot very easily without having to move the drone over 20 feet on a private property. So we've already got a triggered individual.
Sorry? No.
She's looking for a drone, I think. This is gold. This is one of the 4 days of the year in the UK when the sun is out.
Look at that there, guys. No cameras or video recording equipment outside. How crazy is that? Now we're in Whitehaven police station, you know, and that's the rule that they're saying.
This guy's got a bunch of videos on his channel. Go check him out. Go tell him that I sent you. If there's better videos than this, please somebody inbox me. Or Reggie himself, if you've got ones that are absolute gold. He's got some other ones with a GoPro that are a little bit better stabilized than this, so. I'm just a production snob, and so I did this in post. So I'd be curious if there's no photography is of the area or beyond the walls. I'm guessing it's beyond the walls. People from the UK, please chime in the comments. Let us all know. I guess jaywalking isn't an offense in the UK. Alright, so he went around the back. He's coming around back to the front. And here we got some guys. Here we go. Contact.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm just asking you what you're doing, sir. If you're flying a drone over police premises, that is illegal. The signage there telling you can't.
I love that they always point to a sign. You know, it's like they could have a sign printed with their laser printer inside. Well, it says no photography there, so I mean, you know, you can't film.
And use cameras there.
Come on, mate, leave me alone to my day. No, it's not against the law at all.
There are signs there.
What are you doing, circling me like this?
I want to know who you are. Because
You don't need to know who I am. I'm a member of public. Have you committed?
Yeah.
Have you suspected me of committing a criminal offence?
I do, yes.
What is that?
You're photographing the police premises.
From a
He has an Xbox or a controller in his hand.
public space?
With a drone over into a private space.
Oh my
which
God! Have you seen the drone?
therefore makes it illegal. There's a sign there that tells you that, sir.
It's not. This is not off the limits of the drone assist app. You don't control the airspace, you know.
And neither do you.
And neither do you. Yeah, but we have authorization, dude. Yeah, Jesus.
Yes, but if you've got a license to fly a drone over there, you can do.
What does that sign say, sir?
Mate, that's inside.
What does that sign say?
That's inside the building.
No, it's inside the yard.
Yes,
same
So
thing.
you're saying I can't stand here filming like this today?
You
Of
can
course I
stand
can.
here and film that, yeah.
And there's no difference in the
But if you're
sky.
flying a drone over, that's
Listen.
different. Stop, stay where you are, sir.
Are you
Wow.
detaining me?
I want to know who you are.
I'm not telling you I am. I don't need to tell you I am.
Until I have established the fact whether you've committed an offence or not.
Well, you
This
need
is
to tell
gold.
me what the offence is.
You have, I've just pointed that out. You're flying a drone over a
Have you seen a
restricted
drone?
space. That's what I need to ascertain if you have one or not.
I
Ah.
didn't say I had a
that's what I'm telling
drone.
you.
So are you?
What's the device in
I
your
don't need to
hand?
tell you what this device is.
What's the device in your hand? Obviously, this guy is not a gamer.
Are you detaining
Being
me?
aggressive, sir.
Stop being aggressive, says the guy who sprinted across and forced people to slam on their brakes so he could get across the road in order to detain somebody, and then won't even specify whether or not he's detaining the person or not.
I'm not being aggressive. Are you,
are
are
being
you
verbally
detaining me now?
At the moment, you're detained until I have ascertained whether you have committed an offence.
And what is that offence?
Contrary,
Here comes backup.
whether you've committed an offence contrary to filming in a restricted
Contrary to filming.
space or not.
I haven't been
need
filmed.
The Brits.
to ascertain whether you have had a drone over the restricted rear police yard.
And do you know?
The restricted rear. Whoa.
Oh, you need to go and check your laws because you don't control the airspace.
No, I don't.
I didn't
control
say
the
I was flying a drone.
And I
You
have-
have said that.
And I said I need to ascertain
What,
whether you.
am I
were.
free to go?
Not at the moment. Until
So
I've
what
established-
section?
Look at these cops like with their back turned. I mean, like great situational awareness, taking 10 minutes to put on their high res vest.
Section of the law are you detaining me on now?
I'm detaining you.
On
because
what
I
section of
suspect
the law?
If you stop shouting.
I do.
Look, she's checking herself in the glass in the mirror. Like, how
not
do-
need to stop.
how's
because
my
you
hair
were
look?
holding me up in
how does my hair look? Should I do an outfit change midway through this video?
the street.
Yes, I am.
For what reason? You need to
If
be
you let
clear
me
about that.
speak-
Go on.
You, I believe, have been filming contrary to the rules and the law that's allowed there over into a police space. If you haven't had a drone, that's perfectly fine, sir. If you are baiting police officers in your auditor capacity, then we can let you go.
So you're not going to abuse.
Actually, good cops can't be baited, and that was already that was something that was brought up in the Turner v. Driver by Turner's lawyer, saying that good cops can't be baited.
Use the
need
power
to
anymore, are
I
you?
need to ascertain whether you've had a drone or not.
I didn't
That's
say
what
I
I'm
was
telling
flying
you.
a drone. You made that assumption.
I didn't make that assumption.
Yeah, you
What
Yes, you did.
did.
Who said I was
I need
flying
to-
a drone?
I said I need to ascertain.
Well,
if
you
were-
ascertain that. How long am I going to be detained for?
Yeah, let's put the ass in ascertain. Look at this cop in the back. I mean, she has not faced the perp because this guy's possibly dangerous, right? Yeah, this is fantastic.
On what law are you detaining me under? That's what I need to know, officer. Because
So-
you're breaking a rule here.
I'm not-
Let
That cop's reaction in the back of not even looking at the guy tells me that she doesn't want to be there nor be on camera and knows that she's just phoning this in because this guy is a tool or a wanker.
me know the law that you're
You want to
detaining me
stop
on.
shouting at me?
I know, I'm being clear and assertive in my voice. I'm not an aggressive person.
No, you're being
I'm
verbally aggressive.
verbally aggressive?
You
are you
are.
a snowflake or what? How am I aggressive to you?
I'm just
I've
saying
got
you're
1,
being-
2, 3, 4 constables surrounding me and you're saying I'm aggressive.
You have been
I want to get
aggressive.
on with my day.
It's gold.
That's all I need to know.
And I just need to ascertain whether you have.
Yeah, all right, let's get a drinking game every time this guy says ascertain.
So,
No,
what
please
law?
answer the question.
I
Do you
don't
have a
answer
drone?
questions.
Right, so you.
I like how he's making eye contact with the body-worn camera on Reggie Photo to try to, like, it's like like he's trying to make contact with the jury. Like, listen, people, I just want to level with everybody here. I just want to make a connection, a human connection with you guys and look you right in the eye.
Told you that.
So you're an auditor baiting police officers because you've got nothing better to do.
Oh, that is true end stage capitalism, that you've got nothing better to do. You've got no job because let's face it, our entire livelihoods are based on whether or not you have a job or not. That's the only thing that gets judged by in society. Great job.
Nothing better to do. So you're bringing your opinion rather than your professional standards.
At the moment,
That's your. So I'm baiting you, am I?
It appears so at the moment.
Well, it looks like you took the bait.
Yes,
So what? I've reeled you in, have I? What
Ah.
law am I free to go? What law are you keeping me on today?
I've seen the device in your hand now, and I'm happy that's not a drone controller at the moment.
Do you know what that is? That's a
It's an
Xbox
That's
controller.
fine. Now you've let me see that. I can
Oh, now you've let me see it. This is
What law
is.
did you detain me on?
Look at that! Look at that female cop. She is. This is gold. Reggie Photo.
That's what I need to know before I go.
I love you.
detained you under Section 25 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act to ascertain whether you
Ascertain.
an offence,
Drink.
whether you were continuing
Drink.
to commit an offence, and ascertain your name and address.
You
Now, I
needed
realised-
suspicion at the beginning to do
I
that.
did have a suspicion that you were flying a drone over the building, hence you were looking over.
Guess what I'm doing in the next 20 minutes? I'm coming back with my drone because this is not restricted on the CAA website. You know that, don't you?
On the CAA website.
I can fly over this police station.
It depends on what your intent on flying.
No. I've got a license for a drone, right?
Yes, you have.
Right? So it's not for you to say that I've got some ill intent. I've come in with bare face.
But
So
if
you've
you
just brought
haven't-
rules
if
today.
no, I haven't.
Yeah,
If
you have.
If
You detain me.
Can you let
Am
me
I
speak?
de-detained now?
No, you're not. You can freely leave now.
Can I?
sir.
Right.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Get back to work. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get back
We
to
have
work.
ascertain whether
Ascertain. This is.
False detainment. So we'll be put.
Listen, please comment ascertain in the comment sections. I have something. Do something creative, like I have ascertained that the amount of times he used the word ascertain is 13 or whatever. Just do something creative, you guys.
To
I
the
know you can.
complainant.
Carry on, sir.
What was your basis of this of the detainment?
I thought
To
you were
ascertain.
going, he's already told
To
you
ascertain.
What's it got to do with you?
To ascertain your
Well, you're just being
intent.
argumentative.
Argumentative. He detained me.
I did,
Yeah,
yes.
for a reason.
For what reason? A game box, game box bloody
Ascertain.
controller in my hand.
Had ill
You're
intent.
pathetic.
No, you are, sir, because you've got nothing better to do. Good day.
Ciao. Ciao.
Absolute idiot. Oh, come on, give us some more. Come on.
Buongiorno.
That's it.
Absolute idiot. Can I have your shoulder number, Constable?
Can 154.
154. We love you, Constable.
Thank you.
Very professional.
No, he doesn't want yours, old lady. Just go walk in go play in traffic.
Likewise.
Can I have your collar number, please, miss?
5237.
Can I have your collar number,
She's been waiting her whole career to give out her ID number.
please?
2226. Did you realise, sir? Your television screen couldn't point in there?
It was pointing in there, thank you very much.
Yeah, your television screen for your Xbox isn't in the station yard.
Pardon? It
You
has.
need to know that, don't you?
No, it has been in there, yeah. And who are you like? What powers have you got?
Yeah.
None at all. None at all, lovey. I can stand there all day, you know that, don't you?
Yeah, but your television screen isn't there, lad. Your
It-
television screen's at home.
This video is sponsored by Microsoft, Xbox.
But I'm recording into here now. What can you...
You realise that your television for your Xbox is at home, not in here?
Exactly. So why did you come out then? We reeled you in, didn't we? Good and proper.
No, challenge him to a game of Halo.
Hey, look.
Oh, there's the thumbnail. That's the thumbnail.
No way. See what I mean, guys? So
Oh,
yeah,
God.
detained under Section 25 of PACE. What would you say about that?
Oh my God.
Very, very personal.
Reggie Photo.
You know, with his face nappy on outside. What month are we in, guys? Really? What month are we in? So yeah, that's how crazy they are. And it's not
Thank you for watching this video. Go check out Reggie Photo on YouTube. Tell him I sent you. The link for this original video is going to be in the description. If you like the content, you want to find your way back, click the subscribe button, hit the bell notification if you want to get all of the notifications for the channel. We just crested 180,000 subscribers to the channel. You guys are killing it. Appreciate all of the new people that are aboard. And memberships are available on the channel as well. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and I also have a secondary live channel where sometimes we go live listening to the police scanner throughout the city of Los Angeles. So thanks everybody for being here. Also check out johnny50.com. The membership there is $25 for the year. It is content that is way too graphic for any social media, even YouTube, and go check that out for uncensored content. So thanks so much for being here, guys. I love all of you, except that one guy.